Imagine waking up tomorrow and your home feels effortless to maintain. No stubborn stains, no lingering smells, no impossible grease spots, no clutter slowing you down. Sounds unrealistic, right? But what if I told you that professionals have been using a set of secret hacks for years, and once you know them, your entire home transforms with half the effort? Pause. Today, I'm revealing the top 7 cleaning hacks every homeowner must know in 2026. And trust me, once you try these, there's no going back. But before we dive in, make sure you like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and turn on the bell icon, because these powerful hacks will save you hours every single week. The 2026 Steam Reset Method. There's a reason professional cleaners in 2026 swear by Steam. Steam doesn't just clean, it breaks down microscopic grime that wiping never reaches. One pass of a handheld steamer over your kitchen counters, your sink, your microwave, even your stovetop, melts away grease like butter. And the best part? No chemicals, no scrubbing, just pure heat doing all the work. This is the method that gives homes that hotel clean look, the shine, the smell, the smooth finish. Once you try it, you'll wonder why sprays ever existed. The overnight baking soda revival. Imagine placing one simple ingredient on anything: oven racks, greasy pans, tile grout, sinks, and waking up to effortless cleaning. Baking soda has made a comeback in 2026, not because it's natural, but because homeowners discovered something unexpected. When baking soda sits overnight, especially with a few drops of dish soap or hydrogen peroxide, it turns into a deep lifting cleaning paste. It lifts burnt grease, loosens stains, and neutralizes odors at the root. No scrubbing, just wipe and watch years of grime disappear. Professionals have been doing this for decades. Now it's your turn. The dishwasher hack you never knew. Most homeowners use their dishwasher only for dishes, but in 2026, you don't clean smarter unless your dishwasher becomes your secret weapon. Dishwashers can clean cutting boards, fridge shelves, toys, soap dishes, sponges, toothbrush holders, sink grates, and even range hood filters. You can also put glass light fixture shades in the dishwasher. The reason this works so well is the high heat. It sterilizes and deep cleans without effort. One cycle saves you 45 minutes of manual cleaning. Imagine that. Nearly an hour saved by simply using an appliance you already own. The citrus heat trap trick. Want your home to smell clean for hours? Professionals heat citrus to release natural antibacterial oils. In 2026, the citrus heat trap has become a viral trend, not for fragrance, but for cleaning power. Slice lemons or oranges, place them in a pot with water, and let them simmer. The steam spreads through your home, killing airborne bacteria, neutralizing musty odors, and making your space smell fresh without sprays or plug-ins. It's warm, it's natural, it's comforting, and it's shockingly effective. The 3-minute shower shine protocol. 2026 homeowners don't spend weekends scrubbing bathrooms anymore, because professionals introduced the 3-minute shower shine rule. Before you step out of the shower, use a squeegee or a microfiber cloth and wipe the walls once. That's it. This tiny habit prevents limescale, mold, water spots, and soap scum buildup. Your shower stays clean for weeks with absolutely zero deep scrubbing. Imagine a bathroom that looks freshly cleaned every single day, without you lifting a finger. The 2026 Fridge Defense System. Food odors, spills, sticky shelves. The fridge is one of the hardest places to keep fresh. But here's the secret. Professionals don't clean the fridge often. They prevent messes instead. How? By lining shelves and drawers with washable mats or cling wrap. Any spill stays on the liner, not the fridge. Add a bowl of baking soda with a few drops of essential oil, and your fridge stays fresh for 6 to 8 weeks. Cleaning becomes a 2-minute job. Just lift, rinse, place back. This hack alone can save you an entire hour every month. Click the link in the description box below to join our free community, where we offer informative articles, ideas, friendship, and much, much more. If you loved these hacks and want more professional-level secrets for your home, make sure to like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon, because I'm sharing new time-saving, stress-free cleaning tricks every week. Try just one of these hacks tonight, and watch how quickly your home begins to transform.